Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm the CEO of Keese. I'm originally from Los Angeles, and I started Keese because I have a US Chase account, credit card, make money on PayPal, have an Israeli bank account, and Israeli credit card. That's 5 international accounts just for myself. I want to start saving for my future, yet as someone with multiple accounts across the world, it's impossible for me to stay on top of my finances. The problem is organizing your finances is complicated, especially if you're living as an international expatriate or multinational. We have multiple income streams, international account, and have specific financial needs. People today have on average 5 bank accounts per country. We are overwhelmed and therefore falling behind on payments, tax reporting, and budgeting just because we're living abroad. We've spoken to hundreds of people who are either totally lost when it comes to organization or still using Google spreadsheets. And even those who are meticulous financial trackers, their spouse is the one that's spending out of control or totally lost. So we built Keese, the place to feel financially at home while living abroad. We can connect to all your accounts, no matter where you live, and give you a bird's eye view of all your activity. We are an app for international financial organization and financial products, unlike all of the other budgeting apps that you've heard about. Currently, we're connected to over 5,000 of the most popular banks and financial institutions, and we can combine all your spending into categories, regardless of what credit card you use or what currency you spent money in. We are also using these bank connections for international financial products. We are building tools such as FBAR filing for Americans and international credit scores for loans. We are already in conversation with MaxCard here in Israel about partnerships and co-branding, as at the moment, they are of no help to all the expats here in Israel. At Keese, we are more than just an app. We are a home for all personal international financial needs. We're becoming a one-stop shop for transfers and managing savings. We know more than your local bank when it comes to loan data and management, and soon will be a financial platform where you can manage your investments and international credit lines. While today we are an organizational tool, the more we organize, the more we learn about our users' needs, and the more tools we can build. General budgeting apps like Mint.com are focused on users in one country. Others, due to open banking, have access to international banks, but just focus on working with local consumers, without any focus on people like myself with multiple currencies or international financial products. As soon as you are dealing with more than one country, Keese is the way to go. The specific expat market that we are talking about is massive and growing. We're aiming towards helping the 270 million expats with all their standard financial needs that are not available to the severely underserved expat market. The FBAR alone is a $300 million industry, and that's just one financial tool that we're already building in our app. With just word of mouth since December, we already have a waitlist of 400 people and over 130 beta users onboarding to our app now. I feel confident in saying that we have an amazing team behind Keese. I myself have been living abroad and managing my finances since I came to Israel 12 years ago. I started and sold my first startup 3 years ago and met my current co-founder, Omri. Omri and I started our own startup accelerator in 2019, advised startups, and then started Keese together. And now we are here on this side of the accelerator, asking you for your pre-seed investment so we can build Keese into the product it deserves to be. Thank you very much.